I'm seeing a lot of mixed signals out of the White House. On one hand, we have the Paul Atkins from the SEC saying that within 2 years, all assets will be tokenized. Everything will be on a blockchain. And at the same time, I'm hearing Donald Trump himself saying, let's eliminate all taxes, which would include capital gains taxes. So they would not tax capital gains, which is a position I strongly advocate. But at the same time, the Treasury Department is putting forward the CARF bill for the White House to sign. CARF stands for Crypto Asset Reporting Framework. It's an OECD agreement, if you will, that causes countries to exchange information with each other about the crypto investment, the sales and transfers that are being done by taxpayers in foreign countries. I don't see why the White House should get involved in exchanging tax data when, on the other hand, they're talking about getting rid of taxes altogether. Why would they actually engage in this? What is the budget? How much is it going to cost to do this, especially if they have no self-interest in it? If you step back, when it comes to stocks and bonds and brokerages, currently the US government shares nothing with other countries unless they directly request it. They share nothing. So why should we share information about crypto tradings for foreigners? I think it's a big question. One of the things that irks me is that in the United States right now, somebody who's not living in the US and not a US taxpayer, but they have investments in the US on US brokerages, they have no capital gains tax on their sales, whereas Americans living in America actually have to pay taxes on it. Does that seem fair? I mean, we've tried to fix this with tariffs, that Americans should be getting equal to or better deal than foreigners. But that's not true with capital gains. Foreigners get a better deal than Americans. What do you think?